Trent Tate at Mercedes Guy 205. Today I have a 2022 brand new GLE 63S SUV. This is a very sought after vehicle, hard to get your hands on all year long. V8s have been difficult to acquire ever since this inventory constriction has been in place, but we have one and it's a beautiful package. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn this camera around and I'm going to get you a little bit more information. So this new AMG GLE 63S does have our newest version of Smart Key. So with your key in your hand, pocket, purse, you can walk up, grab the door handle, unlock, start your ignition. In the front of the vehicle, you notice the Panamera grille. It's got the vertical slats. That's a style Q only standard on the AMG products. And this is a diamond white metallic manufacturer paint. So it is a specialty paint. It's a pearlescent, and it has the beautiful 22-inch cross-forged wheels. One thing that sticks out is those carbon ceramic brakes. Those are the highest level of performance brake offered on any AMG product. Now, coming down the passenger side of the vehicle, you see the V8 bi-turbo badging. Again, beautiful combination. And the style of this AMG 63 is unique because this is in a SUV. You can use this as your family hauler. You got plenty of room for your day-to-day tasks. The interior of this vehicle is immaculate. It has the manufacturer brown flowing lines trim. The double-sided display will be standard, and it's a very smooth, fluid system. It's called our MBUX platform, which is fully touchscreen and voice activated. You'll notice all the ambient light styling cues, the exclusive Napa leather seats with the diamond stitching. This one also has your pano roof, tons of room in the second row, and really great combination on this AMG GLE 63. This model is also equipped with the Burmester high-end 3D surround sound, top-notch audio quality. If you're a music lover, you're going to love that system. And here in the back seat, rear AC vents will be standard. This has the 4-zone automatic climate control along with tons of room and heated seats and power seats for your second row passengers. My favorite part of this vehicle has to be under the hood. You got an AMG SpeedShift 9-speed transmission, a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo with EQ boost, putting out a blistering 0 to 60 time of 3.7 seconds, pushing out 627 pounds of torque. It also comes equipped with the AMG Active Ride Control Plus, giving you both that blend of luxury and performance. There you go. That is performance luxury at its finest. If you would like any additional information, don't hesitate to contact me direct. You can reach me at 205-504-2358 or check me out online at themercedesguy.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the whole video, and I can make you this personal guarantee. When you make it out to Mercedes-Benz of Birmingham, expect excellence.